Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Nissan Key Fob remote. Today you're going to need a 2032 battery. These are quite a common one, they're available in most stores. Okay, we'll pop that to one side, we'll get straight into it. So just to double check, this is the same as your remote before we start. Flip it over, you'll see a little button on the back. If you pull that across and then slide up out the emergency key. This emergency key will give you access to the vehicle should your remote fail and you can't get in. Now the lock location varies from model to model, so that's something you'd need to check. We'll pop that to one side, lift the remote up. So we'll get it so the cutout's facing us. We need a small screwdriver for this one. Just be careful going in. And if you carefully go in just under that edge there, and then just clip it back, and the same on the other side there, just be very careful, and then that should release the back off. And there you go, there's the back. We'll pop that down and there's our battery. Okay, so we get the screwdriver and just carefully release the battery out. Now note, this battery is put in positive side down, so your positive side is the smooth side with a positive emblem on. The negative side always has a slight dome to it. And there you go. Right, okay, we're going to get the new battery. Here's one I've taken out of the packet earlier. So we were positive side down. Just be careful going in on those metal tabs there. Is what you need to do is just push it in that way and it clips into place. Okay, so we'll bring this back over and we'll just line everything up nicely before we snap it back into place. And then literally, there you go, that's snapped back into place. Pick up your emergency key, clip that back in, and that is job done on your Nissan remote, changing the battery. Please give us a like and subscribe. Hope this has been helpful for you today. Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.